Hey guys, it's me Brian, and today I got something a little different for y'all. Today I'm gonna be doing a tech-based review for y'all. I have a lot of problems with charger cables, and especially for my iPhone 4S. Um, you know, the official Apple charger, it messed up on me, um, and I've been using the dollar store cables, and those are just as bad. And I know what you're thinking, like, why don't you just get a flat cable? So, just to show y'all, I do have the flat braided kind. Paid $5 for this. And as you can see, like, there's a little twist at the top. Like, it don't go into the connector straight. Can you see that right there? And I think that basically screwed the whole cord up because it didn't last 3 weeks. It didn't last a month, I know that. But I paid $4 for that one, so the only good thing about that purchase is that it come with one of these. And these work great. Little USB chargers. Fantastic. Um, but I found something on Amazon the other day and I ordered it. And it got here and I've been using it for a couple of days now. And hopefully it'll solve my problem. And what it is the OPSO uh, Optimal Power Solutions USB charger cable for iPod, iPhone, and iPad. Now, what makes this different is when you take it out, I dropped the paperwork, but you don't need the paperwork because it's just this cable here, little 1-foot cable. But what makes this so cool is the 30-pin connector separates and it lets you use the Android chargers, the micro USB, if I can get it. Anyway, your standard Android charger, because everybody's got some of those. So what I did, if you hear anything in the background, it's my PlayStation 4. I have it turned on, and I have the PS3 controller micro USB charger that you can just take and plug into. So uh, just in case the cable does mess up, all you gotta do is just take the top off and place it on another cable. And my iPhone is completely dead right now. iPhone 4S, see, there's the charger or indicator. Got the Survivor case. I paid full price for this case, $35. If you have a 4S or an iPhone, period, I highly suggest getting one of these because you really need the best protection. Being that Apple decided to make a completely glass phone, which wasn't very bright for them to do. But anyway, you take it and you just plug it in, and there it goes. It's charging. But the negative thing about using these is just the slightest bump can wiggle the cable, and it'll cause it to disconnect, and you gotta readjust it. Um, You gotta finagle with it a little bit to get it right, to get it to keep charging. But this is definitely a set it and forget it type situation. I don't think that you could hold it and use it. But yeah, I hope this can solve your problem. But yeah, guys, like I said, oops, if you're looking for a solution, is it the best solution? No, but it does solve the problem. Just on, the cable alone. If it screws up, just get another one and plug it in. But alright, I gotta clean up my mess now, so I will talk at y'all later, and let's see if it's still charging. It says it is, so there you go, guys. I'll talk at y'all later. Love y'all. God bless.